Good morning. We back at it. Day 2. Vlogmas, you know how we finna do it. But before we get into the video, can y'all please subscribe? Black boy.
You know Blanton made the beat, nigga.
Steph, I call herself in here trying to secretly get my son for Christmas and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Let's go check him out, see what's going on. Okay, we out here in the wind. We out here in the wind.
One of them kill one of them. She got one of them.
Yeah, I've been thinking about getting a little air fryer for myself. Yeah. Supposed to fry it without oil. None of that didn't turn out the same way. A lot of people say they work.
Yep. This ain't but
Be careful with your back, step up.
59.
That ain't bad, but get one with a better box on.
So what now?
I said get a better looking box. We about to go over there and over there to my pop house and try to get this little bucket on the road. You know, I had this little Chevy Cruze. I was leasing it for like 4 years, and when I went back to try to keep the car, they was just trying to give me a badass deal. So I let the fucking car go. So I want to get this little bucket on the road, man, so I can go without having a car payment for a little while, build up some money, and then I just get what I want without having to sacrifice for what they give me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's keep going, man. Yeah, let me get something. Don't get bullshit. Sadly, this is what life has become for me. Let me get that. Oh. Yeah, get me a little bit of this here cotton candy. Yeah. Shit, I know I'm getting older. When I started thinking about I want goddamn air fryers and shit. Hell, man, I'm getting old. I really want to get this Xbox though. That's what I'm really going for, the Xbox, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy, we done made it out here to pop. Should get ready to put this fuel pump in. Still little guy I'm working on. Don't worry about me, Step Pop. You know I'll be doing my little video. Yeah, this little car I'm trying to work on so I can get around for a little bit. Poppy not working on it. This little pet project. Alright, y'all, let me get busy. Hopefully I have this thing running. I'll be back down there in the Benny. Mess around a little bit for the weekend, you know what I'm saying? But let's get to it. Blood boy. Y'all look at my papa little pet project he got going on.
Yeah, then you got that.
Finna restore it.
You catch hand, you gonna get mad.
See, working on getting the inside ready. Say this is a retirement project. Parker organized it. He can organize these tools a little better than that.
We ain't got the date right now. I just called and I just got all the information.
Well, you got my number, ain't you?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I just give everybody all the information and stuff, right? We ain't made no date.
No date yet.
Yeah, so.
I'm so ready now.
That's a little pet
So
project.
we'll get a date.
I'm so ready to go. I ain't been in. How long it been since the last time we went to DC?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
I ain't never been.
Joe, you to myself, son.
See a little pet project he got
Don't
going?
think about it, Joe. Now you don't see no land.
Show him a little video, show him a little friends.
Good right there.
Yeah, on Pop right there, man. Got him a little pet project going on.
Yeah, he got that. That's looking good there, man.
See, he got the inside going. Every time I come back to it, be a little bit more on that engine. Dog, stuff here.
What's in it?
Fat Joe burrito.
Yeah, Geneva worked done. Oh yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
can't do it no more, but he can do it. He's young. I can't do it.
Yeah,
I ain't no need me keep trying to do it.
that's true. That's true. Yep. I gotta teach my son how to keep from making little sucker bets and stuff like that.
Hey, Aunt. Hey, Aunt.
He's somewhere. He ain't at home. There you go, Will.
Oh, okay.
Stanfield. Joe was trying to say something.
E.W. Blanton. Tight wad to the back. Tight wad. That boy tight, boy.
Yeah, look, he believing me too.
Shoot, yeah.
Well, y'all be blessed and y'all have a safe trip and journey back, and I'll be to see you roll.
All right.
All right, I gotta holler at my father on that.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.